Okay, 81.2 volts. It's probably down a volt, maybe a volt and a half from yesterday. Hopefully we can get like 20 miles in, cruising in mode 1 and 2. We'll see. Alright, man, I just had a pretty good wheelie. I'm in the middle mode, doing a range test. I'll try and do one up this hill. See if I can, how far I can get. Whoa, I'm in. That was in the wimpy power. It's going middle power. Alright, we got it up. Now we just gotta balance it. Going 40. I gotta get it a little higher so I don't accelerate so fast. But yeah, middle mode, unbelievably easy for wheelies. The low power mode, you gotta be going under 10. You can get it up and you can ride it, but you gotta get it to the balance point, otherwise it'll come down. But you know, middle mode or low mode, you'll be able to do it in. Middle mode, you'll be able to do it in super easy. Let's see, here's another one. Going downhill though. Oh, I got crooked. I like going uphill. I don't get it crooked. I try and get like 15. Ah, get crooked again. I practically gotta stick my leg out. It's hard for me to get it perfectly straight, but sometimes I get it dialed in and I can control it. And I get a pretty far one. Oh, look at that bird. He's got a big wingspan. So I'm doing a range test. I started at 81 volts and I'm at 75.3 now. We're at 15.6 miles. I've been riding it pretty much like you would, you know, mostly in mode 1. And then I'll switch it to mode 2 when I want to do some cool wheelies and stuff. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Woo, we're going about 50. Yeah, 47. Hey Max, you missed my best wheelie. Had a pretty far one. Down to 72 volts. See if we can do another one. I had one twice as far as that. Bike's pretty sweet. As the battery gets lower, I noticed the middle mode, when you whack it, it's like cutting power and then it kicks in. And if you hit the right amount of throttle, sometimes you can feel it. I don't know if the sport mode does that, but I know they all cut power, or at least all but the low mode cuts power right when you whack it. Probably so you don't flip on your ass. And it feels good, like the power, they got it dialed good. But that little surge I felt a couple times, I don't know if I like that or not, but I think if we got all the power right away, it might be a little scary. Let's see, I'll try and do a wheelie here if I can. There's a hill. Oh, I'm in the wrong mode. Oh, we're crooked. All right, we'll just whack it and get it up. All right, here we go. There we go. Here we go. We're up. We're up. We're up. We're up. Oh, grass. We'll try one more. I'll start in the middle. Get down to like 16. I think once we put the supermoto tires, it'll be easier to steer. And probably do wheelies forever by the end of the summer, but you know, I'm probably not gonna ride it that much, so by the end of next summer. So yeah, pretty cool, Max. I'll catch you later. All right, Max, I'm in sport mode, but I'm at 71 volts. It's definitely cutting some power because it doesn't come up as easy at 30, but you'll be able to see a longer wheelie here. Faster wheelie. That's 61 mile an hour wheelie. It's easier to do it when you're going faster. But, you know, you crash, you're fucked. Especially with shorts on. Yeah, it seems like it's cutting power. And what I've learned about batteries is the lower the voltage gets on the battery, the more juice it has to use, but you lose torque because you don't have that high voltage. So I'm trying to see if I get like 30 miles out of this range. So with me and 30 miles, it'd be pretty good. I'm at like 25.9, and that's definitely a mix, cruising 25 to 30, probably practically the whole way. And I started at 81. Max, here's a fast mode wheelie. It's got so much power. Half the block, but I can do a little further if I get it up in a good spot right away. Trying to get 30 miles. Like you get in a sweet spot and it's like butter, but sometimes I go crooked. Okay, Max, last wheelie, low battery voltage. That's 68. When I hammer it, it drops down to like 60. We'll do it up the hill. See if I can clear the hill. Go like from 15. Almost. Going left. Hey Max, so I finished the ride. It was an hour 27, 29.27 miles. According to the Sur Ron, we went 31 miles. My max speed was 61. We got 499 miles on the odometer. So I say that's a success. I rode it pretty much how we would ride it, doing wheelies, switching mode 1, 2, 3. Ended up with 68.4 volts. So we definitely have change. I bet we can go another 10 miles, at least with me. So if I could go 40 miles with the last 10, a little wimpy. But it cuts power slowly once you get down to like 72. But there's still enough power and sport to pull a wheelie at 25 and definitely at 20. It's just not as much. And yeah, I mean, it's freaking awesome, Max. Really stoked. Excited to ride it in Michigan. So I could ride probably to Thumb Lake, around all the trails in the area, and still make it back. So all in all, good time. I rode every road around here, 30 miles right by our house. I did our loop and then every other road. I got some cool wheelies, so I'll upload them. And yeah, I think you'll be very happy. With you on it, it'll probably do 50 miles, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if I was switching mode 1 and 2 a lot in the beginning. I don't know if that matters. Now I was riding mostly 20 to 30 in the beginning, but then at the halfway point, I just opened it up. You know, I was riding 40, 45, um, switching from sport to eco and so on. So yeah, totally cool, Max. I'm gonna edit this and put something together. See ya.